Hello, friends. How are you? I'm hoping that everyone is okay. And please stay at home and don't go outside. I know it's a very difficult time for everyone, but please stay at home, okay? So, today I'm going to tell you a small story, okay? And actually, it's not a simple story. You will have to puzzle your mind also, okay? While I was listening this story, I was also puzzled. I was thinking what is happening. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, so this story is about camels and sons. Okay, long ago there lived an old man with his three sons in a deserted village located in the vicinity of a desert. He had 17 camels and they were the main source of his income. He used to rent out camels as a means of shipping in the desert. One day he passed away. He had left a will, leaving his assets for his three sons. Okay, so do you think what I'm going to narrate next part, please listen carefully. It's really very interesting story. I was also very puzzled that how I will solve the problem, but listen carefully. Okay, after the funeral and the other obligation were over, the three sons read the will. While their father had divided all the property he had into three equal parts, he had divided the 17 camels in a different way. They were not shared equally among the three, as 17 is an odd number and a prime number which cannot be divided. So, what do you think? How you will divide 17 number into three parts? Okay, so listen carefully. The old man had stated that the eldest son will own half of the 17 camels. The middle one will get one third of the 17 camels, and the youngest one will get his share of camels as one ninth. So, do you understand how you will solve this problem? Because eldest one will get one half, means 17 divided by 2, and it's really not possible. Okay, so listen carefully what happened. All of them were stunned to read the will and questioned each other how to divide the 17 camels as mentioned in the will. It is not possible to divide 17 camels and give half of the 17 camels to the eldest one. It is not possible also to divide the camels for the other two sons. Okay, so they were very puzzled. They were pushing their mind what to do, but problem, if you have any problem in your life, then of course one solution always be there for you. Okay, so they spent several days thinking of ways to divide the camels as mentioned in the will, but none could find the answer. Do you have the answer? I was not having the answer while reading this story, but you can puzzle your mind and you can do something. Okay, now I'm going to give you one hint. You can add something. Okay, do you understand what I'm going to tell you? You can add one camels into your total number. Do you understand what I'm going to narrate now? Actually, it's solve your problem, and just use your mind. You can easily understand. Okay, they finally took the issue to the wise man in their village. The wise man heard the problem and instantly found a solution. He asked them to bring all the 17 camels to him. Okay, they went to the wise man. Now, what happened next? The son brought the camels to the wise man's place. The wise man added a camel owned by him and made the total number of camels 18. Now you were thinking, oh, this is the solution. 18 can easily be divided according to the condition of his father. Yes, and it's it can be easily be divided. Okay, so listen carefully. Now he asked the first son to read the will as per the will. The eldest son got half the camels, which now counted to 18 by 2 equals to 9 camels. The eldest one got 9 camels as his share. Okay, so 9 camels, eldest one got it. The remaining is 9. The remaining camels were 9. The wise man asked the second son to read the will. He was assigned 1 by third of the total camels. So you can also divide 1 by third. 18 by 13 means, okay, what would be the result? 18 by 3 means 6. Then of course the second son will get 6. Yes, second one will get 6 camels. Okay, read carefully now. It came to 18 by 3 equals to 6 camels. The second son got 6 camels as his share. Total number of camels shared by the elder son 9, and the middle one get 6. 15 camels would be. The third son read out his share of camels, 1/9 of the total number of camels. 18 divided by 9 equals to 2 camels, means third one get only 2 camels. Elder one get 9 camels, and middle one get 6 camels, and 2 camels got the last one. Okay, how many? 6, 9, 6 and 2. Okay, 9, 6, 15 and 2, 17. 17 camels left. Okay, so the youngest one got 2 camels as his share. Totally there were 9 plus 6 plus 2 camels shared by the brothers, which counted to 17 camels. Now one camel's left, and a wise man of course will take his own camels. Why he will not take? Okay, and it's really a little bit tough, but I'm happy that they got the solution. Okay, so one camel is still left. Now the one camels added by the wise man was taken back. The wise man solved this problem smartly with his intelligence. Intelligence is nothing but finding a common ground to solve an issue. In short, every problem has a solution. Okay? So, if you are facing anything, if you are facing any problem, just try to think in a different way. Definitely, you will get the solution, and you don't need to panic too much. You just need to be calm, and you will get the solution very soon. And suppose if you're not able to solve the problem, just go with the other one. Ask to the other one, took the help of others, you will get the solution very soon. Don't be hesitate, don't think you cannot solve the problem. Okay, so always be a part of solution, not the problem, because this life is very precious. Okay, so if you like my story, please like and please subscribe my channel. It's really very difficult to make the story, and please like, that motivates me to what? That's actually motivate me to do something more. Okay, and also please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and please take care of yourself, and please don't go outside, stay at home as possible as. Okay, please take care of you. Okay, bye bye.